My name is Houston Adams. This is my little brother.
I'm Clark Adams.
And this is Gunslinger TV. We're about to go pick up our boat. It's a 41-foot cigarette Nighthawk. It's about to go to Joe's Bayou, the boat ramp. We're about to get on the other boat and go check it out. You ready?
Let's go.
That's good, Dylan. We'll come. Hey, Dylan. That's good.
I'm at Houston. Of course, our cigarette shirt just got delivered.
They just now? My cigarette shirt.
It's a lot more fun to drive than that 72. It seems a lot more fun to drive than the 72. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oil
That's steering.
It's oil pressure.
Oh, what's it on? Steering thing too.
Set oil pressure for 85.
Alright, so we're pulling up to the boat ramp right now. It's about to be in the parking lot. We'll be able to see it in a second. Going the boat's way easier. Beats the drive.
Pretty shallow right here. Rocks. Rocky shallow, yeah.
You just tie it over right there in the now we're good. No, good.
Houston, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Sorry for being so late.
Oh, it's alright.
It was the rain, man.
I heard there was a sinkhole or something.
I didn't see that,
My
but
dad said he passed the sinkhole and it was backed up big time.
yeah, I'd missed all that, but it was just the rain, you know. We're going to back it in. So, do you have a preference? Do you know this ramp? Is there one that's better than the other? Do they have a drop off? Are they pretty good?
I'll go between 3 and 4.
3 and 4?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, 3 and 4 is probably the best. Alright, so he just got here with the boat. They're just about to put it in right now. Y'all wondering what the name means? Red Bottom Christian Louis Vuittons. That's what it's named for. My dad's favorite shoes now. But about to put it in, and then we're about to go test drive it, make sure everything checks out, and then if it checks out, we'll have to take it on home. Alright, now turn that radio off. Alright. I guess just pull it off. Hold it up real quick so we just turn it over. We're gonna back it off and then we'll hook you up to that truck so we can leave it here overnight. Okay. And then so we can drive there in the morning.
Safe here?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I just get Kevin to have one of the camera guys video.
Yeah. I think it's that little silver latch right here in the very front. Yeah. What is it?
There it is. There it is.
Yeah, see, look, it is like your it pops out like the freaking roll thing. It's like a little lights, just red lights all under cool things.
We just picked up the boat. We're about to go get some footage of it. It's wet. My dad is in Jacksonville right now for some work, so he can't be here for it, but we're gonna go test drive it for him. and give it all she got. And Cigarette just posted us on their story, told us to have fun with it and let us know how we like it. We'll see what happens. Go rip it around. But so far it's sweet. This thing's
Got your adjustable seats
yeah.
for all three of them. Got the cabin,
bow thrusters,
bow thrusters, adjustable seating. Pretty nice.
Stop.
Big arrangement, screens everywhere. You got a screen on your bow. You got a screen right here. You got your 3 right here.
Yeah, we got.
You might have one right here. I don't know for sure.
I mean, this thing's decked out with everything we could need. See, all our lights we could change. Engines, all the engines right here.
You got your burn and your RPMs up there.
It's a race boat. It's supposed to. Yeah, you can close that.
It's supposed to do 85, 90, something like that.
Something like that. So new, we don't know. I don't know really where anything's at.
Side forward.
Tell him just to keep it in gear until he starts sliding forward. You're dead center. We just gotta go down.
Are you good there, huh?
I think you can come up a little bit.
Are you good?
That was good. Come back a little bit.
There ain't no way this thing's getting close to how heavy the Freeman was.
Alright guys, so we just got done driving around, got some cool shots of the drone. It top speed is 86.2 miles per hour. We hit 76. A little choppy out there, but on the way back I think we got it at 76, 77, around there. But I think sweet. Cigarette really stepped it up. It's a 41 Nighthawk. Y'all go check them out. This thing's a sweet ride. Real great. They just actually right before we left the boat ramp, they DM'd me on Instagram and said, "Y'all enjoy. It's a great boat." And they weren't lying. Cigarette, outstanding people. Y'all go. If y'all want to buy a boat, go talk to them. They'll get you right. Y'all stay tuned for all the upcoming events. We got a tournament coming up real soon. The other day 2 and day 3 should be dropping a little bit later, but y'all get ready for Biloxi and get ready for more videos of this boat and everything else we do. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Y'all get ready for crazy more things like this.